Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to How to Browser. In this video, I'm coming at you with a brand new tutorial, and I'll show you. I'll be going over the entire process, show you how you can hide chat icon in Windows 11. Right here, this chat icon, I'll show you how you can remove this icon. And if you also have questions, you have some problems, you like to remove something, to change something, to tweak something in Windows 11, please let me know in the comments down below. And if I know how I can do it, I'll create a video for you. So please do it. And now let me show you how you can remove this chat icon in the taskbar. So it's very simple. Just right click on the taskbar settings, and here in taskbar settings you have this chat icon, and you can turn off. It's turned on currently, turn off, and you don't have it here anymore because we just removed it. And maybe you want to remove widgets as well, and you want to remove task view as well, and as you can see, we don't have it here anymore. So that's how you do it, guys. Just go to personalization and taskbar, or simply right click from here, right click, and then go to taskbar settings. So that's the video. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Take